friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid of. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Carlie. I do tons of cleaning motivation here on this channel. I also do organizing, decluttering types of videos, some homemaking, lifestyle. If you guys are into those types of videos, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and joined this little YouTube community I have going on here. Today we are just doing some cleaning motivation in my home. I feel like I cleaned for the entire day. I started in the morning and I literally ended at nighttime. So the entire day I was cleaning, organizing, putting toys away, doing the dishes, all that types of cleaning that you typically do on a day-to-day basis. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it brings you tons of cleaning motivation. Hit that thumbs up if you guys do enjoy cleaning motivation videos here on my channel, and let's just get started in this video. Walking hand in hand on the ocean floor, down deep we wander. Louder we sing, no there is no cure in this together. I don't wanna tell you that it's not real. Nothing is a fairy tale. Everything about you is so unreal. It won't be pretty when it ends. Now how could I leave with your sweet love on me? Yeah. Something about you. If you are new here, I am pregnant, so you did see a pregnancy pillow on my bed. I also have my heated blanket. Those are like my essentials here. We do live in Pennsylvania, so it is cold, and a heated blanket is a must for me. Right now, I'm just cleaning our master bedroom, just wiping things down, doing some vacuuming. I already made the bed. So all of that cleaning here in the bedroom. I will be 24 weeks pregnant tomorrow, so a little over halfway. I did have my daughter at 37 weeks, so I'm anxious to see when this little babe is going to come. We are not finding out the gender, so we do not know if it's a boy or girl. We are waiting until we do give birth, which we are so excited about. But back to the cleaning, I just wanted to go ahead and mention that some of my videos are repetitive when it comes to cleaning, but I do try to just put out cleaning content that I know moms are going to be doing on a day-to-day basis. I know sometimes watching videos, it can get super overwhelming when you're seeing these moms and just women doing a bunch of different cleaning and stuff in their videos. Although I do some deep cleaning and some get it all done with me, I do try to keep my cleaning videos to the minimum of what I know you guys will probably be doing on a day-to-day basis as well. That includes like laundry and vacuuming and putting away toys and doing the dishes and wiping down countertops and things like that. I do also, like I said, do some deep cleaning in some of my videos, but I just wanted to mention that in case you are here for some cleaning motivation. That's typically what I do here on my channel. When we should stop, we go further. Didn't even notice that it rained all summer. When we should stop, we go further. Didn't even notice that. Now how could I leave with your sweet love on me? Yeah, yeah. Something about you always makes it harder. My lipstick on your white shirt collar.
You got me begging, pretty please. I'm so hung up on you. I couldn't tell you what it feels like, but I sure think you do. Where do you go when your glass ends up empty? Oh, I wanna know, won't you let me know? Where
since I spent the entire day cleaning, you will see my little one here with me. My husband usually keeps her occupied when I'm doing my videos and doing some cleaning, but he was actually headed out for the day, so I had the little one all to myself, so you will see her. I do show you in a little bit. I had to stop and play some trains with her. That's just mom life. You can't ignore your little one when they want to play with you, so you will see her help me do some vacuuming. She helped me sweep up. She was trying to help me do the dishes. She actually really does like helping clean up and things like that. She gets excited when I bring out the broom and things like that. So she is definitely my little mini me when it comes to everything.
We spend the night on bubble bliss, forever lasting. I know you never would admit it, but I can see through you. Where do you go when your glass ends up empty? Oh, I wanna know, won't you let me know? Where do you hide when you leave me wasted? Oh, I wanna know. We're only lovers when we count down. Tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop, babe. Just keep on dancing like we're night bound. Lovers on the clock. I'll be ready when we go down.
Another season.
In most of my cleaning videos, I always get asked where this little like drain stopper is from. It's from TJ Maxx. You can get them there on Amazon. You can get them from like Home Goods. They're under $5, and obviously it just stops all of the food and stuff from going down your drain if you do not have a garbage disposal, which we do not. So this has become a lifesaver for me. You definitely need one if you don't have one. Like I said, they're like under $5, and you can basically get them anywhere.
The truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I'm all alone down the steady road, just full of thoughts about to explode. Facing the night, even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always Even though I lost, I'll find something better. I'm running all around this town. This feeling has me stepping down.
Next, I am just moving in to the dining room. I'm going to take everything off the table and give it a nice wipe down. As I was doing this and as I was sweeping and mopping the floor, I noticed that the chairs were pretty dirty. So you will see me take a magic eraser, I rave about those in all of my videos, to the chairs. I definitely need to go ahead and do another coat of paint once baby comes and all of that. Probably not till the spring or summertime, just to give the chairs like another coat of white paint. I think I should have done that when I was doing the actual painting, but it took me forever and I was just over it. So they definitely need another coat. They definitely needed some cleaning, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do over here.
I remember when we woke up, how your body looked like porcelain in the light. No complaining, we were alright. But then again, I thought we were one of a kind. Oh, na na, oh, you're good with lies. Oh, na na, wish I wasn't right. Now every morning when I wake up, your legs so close, I gotta push you to your side. I go to work while you still sleep. I don't wanna argue 'cause it's never worth a fight. Oh, na na, oh, you're good with lies. Oh, na na, wish I wasn't right. Whoa, whoa.
So with Black Friday and everything coming up, let me know down below if you guys have already started doing your Christmas shopping. I have been doing a lot of mine online. I actually did go out today to our town. I went to TJ Maxx just because I feel like things are going to possibly get shut down again. So I just ran out really quick and grabbed some few Christmas gifts for my husband and my family, just in case things like that do happen. But yeah, let me know down below if you guys have started your Christmas shopping, if you're done, if you haven't started already, or what your guys' plans are.
From a given disaster.
Heck.
Away from the holy mind.
Okay, Daddy's gonna bring up the table here in a
That's why I
second.
never thought it would matter.
You're gonna build some trains?
If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my fate.
So I built her a train track and then I was ready to get back to cleaning. She is the sweetest little thing and she is obsessed with trains. That is like the only thing she ever wants to play with. The only thing she ever talks about is the trains, and we do have a Polar Express train ride in our area that I was thinking about doing. I don't think I'm going to do it this year. Hopefully next year we'll be able to, just with everything going on and being pregnant and stuff like that, trying to limit myself to where I go. I also do not think she would sit in a seat the entire time. I feel like she would want to explore and see everything. But yeah, that's something I definitely want to do with her since she is so obsessed with the trains. But yeah, probably not this year, hopefully next year.
The heat from a hot California. I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head, I feel my spark between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep
Next, I'm moving on to the downstairs, and I typically come down here at nighttime when Evelyn is asleep and just kind of tidy up and get it all refreshed and ready for the next day to be messy again. The cleaning never stops when you're a mom and you have toddlers and just toys are everywhere. So yeah, I'm going ahead and cleaning up down here. I'm just quickly fixing up the couch and then putting away all of her toys in the playroom. I do have a video on our downstairs. We just got it completely refinished. I think it was my last video that I posted, or maybe the one before that. I will have it linked. This used to be our basement. We turned it into a downstairs. We have a family room, a bathroom, playroom, some extra space. We have a ton of storage. We added a bedroom, a home gym, and my husband's race workshop that he has. So it was super fun to go ahead and do this. We come down here, we spend pretty much all day down here just playing and hanging out. We absolutely love it. But now I'm going to go ahead and organize and clean up my daughter's playroom.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir perform.
That is going to be it for this entire day clean with me. I hope this brought you some cleaning motivation and got you up and cleaning your home. Giving your home a nice refresh is always like the best thing ever. Sometimes I do let my cleaning go for a few days, but I love tackling a messy house and transforming it into a clean one. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.